grandmother taught me everything I know about not only toffee making, but cooking in general. She had a real love for trying different things, and that is one of the reasons why we have so many different flavors.
In the summer of 2015, with an old family recipe in hand, Anita Comiskey founded Amelia Toffee Company. And while the formulations are generations old, Anita's approach to candy making is anything but. By infusing her family's recipes with such unlikely ingredients as bourbon and coffee and sea salt, Anita has effectively created an artisanal delicacy, headquartered right here in Amelia Island.
Back in the 60s, there was a toffee company based out of New York, and we loved that toffee, and my grandmother and I spent many hours trying to replicate that. And one day, it was like, eureka, we hit it. And that was back when we were using not the finest chocolate like we have now. So we've come a long way in improving upon it, but we knew back then that we had something that we could make over and over again for friends and family at holidays.
There's a magic chemistry of toffee. There's the sugar, there's the butter, there's the liquid in there. And everything to get it to be perfect, it's all about timing and heat and the process, and you do this and that. What is that magic place of the perfect consistency? So how do you find Amelia Toffee? So you can find it right online, of course. And then as you're out and about traveling, keep your eyes peeled in the gourmet shops that you're traveling to, and if you forgot all about it, it's probably at the airport too.
Today, Amelia Toffee can be found in gourmet markets, resorts, and boutiques all across the state of Florida. The ingredients are fresh, the flavors are surprising, and the result is nothing short of decadent. Not too bad for an old family recipe.